Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an auction on Zeffy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Zeffy, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now what you're going to do is you need to go to the Zeffy website and log in your account. So after logging in your account, you'll be redirected to the dashboard right here, and you just need to create a campaign since we need to create an auction based on a campaign. So right here on a campaign, just click it and click this one plus new campaign to create a new campaign. And after that, it will ask you what campaign do you want to create. So since we're creating an auction, we need to choose auction right here. So after doing that, as you can see, the Zeffy will generate a template for you already, and you just need to customize it. And after that, just click create auction campaign, and you will be starting to customize it step by step. So first, you need to add the title of your auction. So it's up to you what type of auction you want to sell. You can change the title based on your auction theme. So after creating your title, just click next, and you will be you need to set the close date and time of your auction. So you need to choose your timelines, or there's a bunch of timelines that you can choose, and it's up to you. What type of timeline you have, and after choosing a time zone or timeline, you need to set your close date and time right here. So it's up to you. So yeah, so after creating your time zone and you're setting your close date and time, just click next again. And after that, you need to add a pickup address. So you need to let your buyers know where they can pick up their items since once the auction is complete. So you need to add your pickup address. So for example, you can put the address as your home, or as a landmark near your home. So this is where you can meet up your customers or the auction buyers. And yeah, that's it. So after putting some address right here, in my case this is the location of the pickup address. So this is where the buyers will pick up their items. So now after setting up your pickup address, click next again, and you need to tell Zeffy about more about your auction. So if you don't have a pickup location set up, you need to include the details on how people will get their items. So yeah, you can just add a description, and put your also your pickup address right here. And as you can see, if you click it, the Zeffy will generate a description for you to just modify it. And yeah, it's up to you if you can leave it as it is, but you can modify it if you want, and it's much better. After that, just click next again. You need to set the color of your campaign. Now you need to change the user interface of your campaign, and it's up to you. You can just change the color of your campaign if you want. You can select a mode, whether you choose light mode or dark mode. You can select a style. You can add some shapes, or you can stay it as no shape. So let's say we add a shape. After that, just click next. You need to add a banner. You need to add a banner now, so it's pretty much the cover image of your auction. So make sure that you change the banner. You can change it as image or video, and when you adding a video, you just need to put the URL link of your video right here. And if you add an image, you can upload your image right here, or you can select one from Zeffy library. So let's say we choose this one for now. So click next again. So you need to upload your logo. So whether your auction have a logo or not, it depends on you. But if you have a logo, you can upload it right here. So let's skip this for now. Now after that, you need to list your auction items. So you can add as many items as you want. So again, so we have item 1, item 2, item 3, and you can so make sure that you add an image that will help the buyers and see the items they will be buying. So make sure that you upload it. And after that, you need to add the title of your item, the name of your items, the starting price. For example, let's say 100, and the minimum bid increment. So let's say the minimum bid increment will be 102. So after that, you need to input the description of your item. So what is the contents of your items? Yeah, just put a description of your item right here. And after that, just do the same for the rest of the items that you added, and you're done. So yeah, that's it. So after listing your auction items, you just need to click next again, and now you need to add a custom question. So if you want to gather more information about your buyers or guests, by default the Zeffy will ask the buyer for the following information for your records. So they will be the Zeffy will defaultly ask the full name of the buyer, the email of the buyer, and their country. But if you want to add a custom questions for them, you can click this one right here, and it will generate some custom questions that you want to ask your buyer. So for example, how did you hear about the auction? You can ask something like that, and you can set it if you want the response format as short answer, multi-select, single select, checkbox, email, telephone, date, etc., etc. right here. And you can add as much customs questions as you want. So after doing that, just click next again, and you need to customize the thank you email sent to the winner. So for example, some buyers win the items they are auction with, they're bidding with, so they will be receiving this email that you set up. So there's a email subject that you can modify, and also a description. So all of them are generated by Zeffy, and you can customize it if you want. And you just need to customize the thank you email sent to the bidders who did not win. So if there's a thank you email for winners, there's also a thank you email for losers who did not win. So yeah, you can same thing again. You can just modify this if you want, and after that, just click next. So we're already done. So you just need to change some advanced settings. If you want to allow offline payments, you can do so. And for the notification, this is the email address. So make sure that you put your email address right here, so you will be notified when a payment is made from buyers. So that's it. So after that, just click next again, and you're done. Congrats, your auction is ready. You just need to view your campaign. If you want to share your auction, you can click this one, and there will be a link that you can copy, and you can share it in your social media accounts. And that's it. So if you want to view your campaign, click this one, and you will be redirected to your auction website right here. That's it. That's how you can add or create an auction on Zeffy. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.